Good afternoon, everybody. I hope that you had a great weekend. Today, what we are going to do for math journals is we are going to put these fractions in order on a number line, and we're asking you to show your work to prove that you have ordered them from least to greatest. One strategy that we can use to show our work is to draw a picture. So I'm going to get my pen up here, and oops, sorry guys. And what we are going to do is we are going to draw a picture for half, 1/3, and 3/4, and then we're going to talk about how to number them on a number line. I always typically choose to use a rectangle or a square to draw my pictures. So I'm going to draw 3 rectangles or squares so that I can do all of my fractions. First, I'm going to do a half. I know that to create a half with a picture, I'm going to divide my picture exactly in half, and I look at the numerator and I am shading in 1/2. The next fraction is 1/3, so I first think about, by looking at the denominator, how many pieces do I need? I know that I need to divide my shape into 3 pieces. And now I look at the numerator to see how many of those pieces I shade in. And I'm going to be shading in 1 piece because I want to shade in 1/3. The last fraction that we have is 3/4. I'm going to look at the denominator and I'm going to realize that I need to cut my shape into 4 pieces. Just for consistency reasons, I'm going to continue to cut the same way so that I have 4 pieces. So now I need to look at the numerator and I'm noticing that I need to shade in 3 of my pieces. 1, 2, 3, and then that would represent 3/4. So now I need to go up to my number line and we are going to label these fractions from least to greatest. So I'm going to start my number line at 0 and I'm going to go to 1. Now I'm going to think about what I know, and I know that half goes exactly in the middle of 0 and 1. So I'm going to label 1/2 on my number line. Now I have 1/3 and 3/4. I need to decide where to put these on my number line. I'm noticing that the denominator is bigger on this one and the numerator stayed the same, so that means that we are going to have a smaller piece. So this fraction is smaller than 1/2. So I'm going to label 1/3 on my number line, which falls in between 0 and 1/2. Okay, the last one that I have is 3/4. I notice that that is bigger than 1/2. So I'm going to go bigger than 1/2, but it is still smaller than 1. And I notice that if I'm being precise, it falls exactly in the middle of 1/2 and 1. So on my number line, I'm going to label 3/4. Thank you for working hard today. We look forward to spending time with you all week. We are proud of you.